Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here to guide you on using Google Chat on your phone. Before we dive in, make sure to download the application from either the App Store or Play Store. In my case, I'll be using the Play Store since I'm on an Android device. Once the application is downloaded, simply click Open. Upon opening, you'll find yourself logged in with one of your Google accounts. If not, just log in. Now, let's explore how to send a message. To do this, click on New Chat at the bottom. You'll then see three options: Create Space, Browser Space, or Messenger Quest. Choose the option that suits your needs. The first one, Create Space, allows you to form multiple groups similar to WhatsApp groups. You can add various members to these groups. Simply input the name of your space or group, add a logo if desired, write a description, and click on Next. Now, to add people to your group, enter their email addresses, or if they're in your contact list, select them from the options below. After that, click Done. And there you have it. Your first group is created. To access your groups, click on Spaces at the bottom. By default, you're on the chat screen, and to view your spaces or groups, click on the Spaces option next to Chat. This will display all the groups you're a part of or have created. Now, let's explore individual chats. To do this, go back to New Chat. Here, type in the email address of the person you want to chat with, or choose them from your contacts if they're already added. Click on the person and a chat session will open. Simply type your message and hit send. It's essentially similar to WhatsApp or any other messaging app. Let's explore some options starting from the top. The user's status, whether online or not, is indicated by the logo. Clicking on the user's name reveals additional options as shown here. You can access settings, block someone, hide the conversation, disable notifications, pin messages, clear chat history, share content, or start a new chat. Moving back, you'll find three more options. The first is the call icon for making calls, akin to WhatsApp, and the same goes for the video option. In the three dots menu, additional options are available, as seen here. That wraps it up. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Take care.